Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is Muhammad Ishan, and today we are debating here on a very amazing topic. The topic is about urbanization. That is it good or not? So, in my approach, urbanization is good for us. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that what is urbanization. Urbanization is that in which people are coming into cities from village. This is called urbanization. But here a question arises that why the people are coming from villages to cities? Because I will tell you that why are they coming. First of all, I would like to mention about the safety and the security. So, first of all, if we talk about the security, so in cities, safety is better, security is more because police works 24 hours there, and crime cannot be done easily in the cities. But on the other hand, if we talk about the villages, so crime can be done easily, everyone can be robbed easily because police service is not good there. And if in a village something, if a kind of a crime has been done, so there are no chances that you can catch the defaulter. But in the cities, we may catch, there are 50% chances because there are many kind of facilities available in the cities like CCTV camera. Through the CCTV camera we can catch the defaulter. That's all.
So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And as we all know that today we all have gathered here for debate, and we all have been given a very most controversial, debatable and most important topic. So the topic is about urbanization. So the question is being asked that it is good or bad. So today I personally believe that it is totally bad, because I have so many reasons, and with the help of those reasons I will be able to prove myself. So let's start. First of all, I would like to start with the environment of rural area. If I talk about environment of rural area, so it is quite peaceful, attractive and natural. Means you can get natural environment, you can get fresh air which is good for our lungs, you can get fresh food as well. And if I talk about chirping of birds, there is chirping of birds which give us the mental peace. But I have a question that will you get these things in the urban area? Of course not. And do you know what nowadays what is happening in the urban area? For developing country, industries are being built more and more, but they don't know that it can be hazardous as well, because noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution, these pollution are increasing day by day. If I talk about air pollution, so because of industrialization, it release poisonous gas in our environment, which affect on our health, and it discharge harmful chemicals into the river and pollute the water. Okay, and if I talk about noise pollution, so noise pollution is also here, and it is considered to be any unwanted and disturbing sound and nothing. If you want peaceful life, so rural areas better to live, you can do study very well. But if I talk about urban, so you cannot get peaceful life here.
Okay. First of all, that you were talking about the pollution, that poisonous gases are releasing by the industries. We are polluting the environment, as they all are saying about the many kind of pollutions we are spreading in urban cities. So listen carefully. In a village, there is a kind of farming which is called shifting cultivation, Ghumantu Kheti, in which what happens that first of all we have to grow the fields, then we will cut the crops, then we will burn that all the field, then we will go anywhere, then we will do the same thing there. We will do here. Isn't pollution increasing? Pollution is spreading by that. And wait, you cannot say that environment of the village is amazing. We listen the birds chirping. No, this thing are not happening nowadays, because industries and factories are being opened in the villages also nowadays, because people are just doing the things which like farming. They keep on doing the farming and they just gaze the animals. Except this, they do not have any work to do, but people are unemployed, they need something to do. Because of those people, factories and industries are being started in the cities.
Brother, as you were mentioning about the pollution, do you know what? If I talk about urban areas, so you will be able to get more pollution. Okay,
pollution. Pollution is everywhere.
That is why we all have hazardous health. Okay, but if I talk about those people who are living in the if I talk about those people who are living in the rural area, so they have amazing health. Okay, and someone was mentioning about the facilities. Means in the urban area we can get every kind of facilities. We can get higher education. We can get health facilities. We can get everything here. So brother, do you know what? We are living in the 21st century. Okay, India is developing country, and rural areas also developing day by day. Gone are days when people were unable to get any kind of facilities in that area. Okay, so get this thing also.
Okay, listen, that we have kind of diseases, a lot of diseases we have because of pollution. You are also living in a city. Are you suffering from asthma, which happens because of the pollution? Are you suffering? Definitely not. And next thing I would like to tell you that you are just criticizing the cities. So you are just criticizing the urbanization, which you should not do. And you are saying that there are hospitals available, education is
Okay.
available, you can get
Brother,
nothing, you can get there.
Ishan
Wait.
Ishan
Let me
brother.
speak now. It's my chance. Like if we talk about the villages, hospitals are not available there and doctors are not available there. If there are 10 patients who are at stake, doctors can save just 4 from them. This is the condition. Leave it. Accepted. If we talk about not only the hospitals are sufficient for the treatment, we need some specialists also, which we cannot get in villages, like oncologists, psychiatrists, physiologists, and there are many kind of specialists are available, which we can get in cities, in urban countries, in urban cities.
Okay. Brother, I have a question for you. To get facilities, to get means to earn money and to get these facilities which you are talking about here. Okay, don't you think that we need good health? Because by the time we won't have good health, so we won't be able to.
We have good health by the grace of
Let
Allah.
me speak,
Who
let me
has
speak, let me
disease?
speak. Everyone has different kind of disease in the urban area. Okay, you cannot say this thing that we don't have good health. Okay, health is wealth, health is everything. By the time you won't have good health, so you can't do anything. And Sachin, means what is happening in the urban area means the people who are living in the urban area, they are inviting the disease from themselves, and after that they are going for getting treatment. So what
Okay.
is it?